Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Oniadofo, mema wa chin, mema wa ha, mema wa jo, baby biara wo. Enen so twendi ampo adom, megidi se obi biara ho ye. Se wodi we fidie no ato ha sisia, mesere ni die mo bomodia na share na obi ensa enka. Media ni manyeti ene ye menije e me ahopese se medi se adwumedie e ba wa kwan efiade bia ene BWF solicitors omo aso yom lawyers akentinka omo ka omo ho bom na ye di sa adwumedie e de abrɛw. Inti megidi se ebeye mfasodie bi e de amaw. Ena ye mede na mom ansa na mekọ adepotea ye ba besua ene no asemfo bi a minimum be hye ewo mu se nsam ukoso wo ba bi biara a eye trese odwem mpo a wonti ase bia ne ya kromu he ya earthquake esi a sisi a ye nua be ma baako bi mo kika ne ho nsem trese ye nim ne nyina echi no ye gidi se enkwa wo ho a ne e wade nyina enti no ye nyina nso ye mfa mpaebɔ emma ye nua be ma no so mo ehu no so mo hu no se news a ye de ma eye ntro enye ntro ne nyina mu ehye irade nsa enti ya na ye nka ne wo mpaebɔ medamase ye bekɔ ye nim ena ye mede pa isanse me ni opemu ankasa senior partner na ene ye ni ba be di dwuma no na ye nua ba kakra nso eye lawyer Debra ono nso obeba be ka ye ho na ye di edwumedie esiye na ye hya ase no mesra mu ani die mu monshare program no emmaye monshare program no emmaye ne etia ne se metwa me ho kakra aba na me the main topic a ye beka no ye de ba betu dwa e de amamo na meti ho kakra kire mo nyoma bi kakra wo ho ansa na mafrɛ ye papa na afi oni ye ho abedi nkomo na ansa na meye sanso mepese ono nso mfa nchia kese ema etiefo ne ahwefo na afedie me di edwumedie no ahyase anti Uncle Ben pachomema good morning.
Hello, good morning manyeti na say
adomo nkwa papa me ho ye pachome bia won so obia ho ye
obia so muchia mo ye chia etiefo ne wona obeka ye ho na ye topic no aye ade aye ya aboa titire awarefo ene o ma mo pemma ɔmo atimi akonya mma ɛwɔ kuro bibi so na mpɛ sɛ ɔmo de nkɔlaa no ba ɛho nhyehyɛ ne yɛbɛka no nti wonim obi a sɛbio wayɛ ɔne obi ayɛ nhyehyɛ ɔpɛ ba anaasɛ ɛnya adoption but ɔpɛ ɛda sɛ ɔno ane ba ebi a biribi nti ɔno ntimi nwo anaa ne kun ne ntimi ma ne nyem a ɛnɛ topic a yɛbɛka no ɛyɛ ade a ɛbɛboa yɛnuanom awarefoɔ ɛne wɔn a wɔpɛ ba.
Uncle Bedasi, Evasi, we the watch me introduction, the cray from me, some nanina ye. It's here for Nasha for Sunny a yen no. And then as some na about become a ye become very delicate, but however, no, Utia Monsema, obey to me to one pa na a ye at the amount. A bunny said, and quala, say, ma worry. Na wobewo akwala fefefe anampo se won ware na nso ope ba na wawo bi no na ye fe na mmom se edu pempenso bi a nipa bra bomu enye se ye age ana bibia bia na ye medical reason bia na ye age reason bia na ye bibi potin na ama awo no ho aye we be se sintidua bi di ama wa try ohu se baby a we do de wapem yes empem because there are so many ways also so ubetumi ayeden enya ebani bi na ebini enne ne eba beka ho nsem no embia na oni obi ho ahyehye baabi se o mehu se meme yem no me bi ni fa kwala na se me de sua kwala na entumi engina ana se enye yi anampo se ma mi ankasa ma wode no ho atichima kakra nti entumi enkare akwala embohu enti no o se embia wo nkosua anase mikru nkosua anase bibi no ya betumi de ayeden aya akwala ne bi wo baabi na afede ya fa ya de boni bie ni ho ma me ni papa boni bie ni ho embi nso anasa na bia na obema no so enye ono mpo na ontumi enshutu o shutu pepepe nso embia na nkosua no entumi ndu baabi a o se du nti de bia na ese akoya asem enye obroni enim die ni asua wesua na hu se enye problem se ne etie bia no yetumi yi sa nkosua no ne yi oba no so nkosua no moawa no ye de aye akwala ne bi enti no adan na obetena ho se meniba ene tie mi se ye ba beka Surrogacy ho asemi megide se ebeye wo de na watu sa anamo enti mesa atwe me papa e de aba na mebisa no ene Surrogacy ebeka ho asemi ansa na ebedi ho nkomo no mesrem ye de BWF solicitors for na eye nkomo edi nkomo esisi a omo ye lawyer for ma bindwuma ni mu yie na ohwa over 30 years sisi a omo ye practice into this law programming na omo kan about family law omo kan about immigration there say oho de wadakra no so daye na ofra no immigration sem obeyi wa no na che so ma bin mu yie na yesa ko yen krom Ghanaian law na Ghana for law so a eno so omo ye ho ade papa enti wo hwe yen UK law na wo hwe yen Ghana law se ne ebeka bom ama ayemfaso ama no brabe hu BWF solicitors for nansemiti so bi katre nra o kase edan on ne yire atnemwa edu pempenso edu baabi no papa ni so omfifie ho na onko enye so ne ho achese ne ho afom no omfifie ho na hwan lawyer be na ekodi sa asemi ama such cases no wo the BWF solicitors omegye ne te e de amount enti no monhye ehon so enso sanso na ukọ edwuma ye ka nyoma ye friend litigation na mitigation circumstances ba edwuma mu and even sometimes contractor yesensan we edwuma mu no ya na ye hu so be hu ane akosan afede edu emre ye hia mwa na se bibi no ye se contract ne say na wo sign no one sign ne ye uye ni say na afe na to adwendwe na ebobo sa nyoma nkete nyina no utumi edeba BWF solicitors for mbehwem na omedi hu akon ede amount ama obedi nkunim umbewe na opedem Uncle Ben mesa ma wakwa babiem ene ye ba be ka Surrogacy ho nsem adofo monhye program no emfamaye na yenkoyenim ohwehwe BWF solicitors for ho asem a omo 7 sisters tube station ho pepepepepe wobetumi enyomo address near 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road ne so na obi enim 7 sisters se wo drive na op postcode N154NP na se ensem bi how na op so ko hu omo a emfa kro a wote so se wo Scotland wo Ireland wo Wales wo hemfa na wo England kromu ha they can still assess you no mo no aye interview na consultation pepepe ema hu hia se wo betu kwan ana wo be fru train ana se wo ba be hu omo se ba ne dendenden se ese ana se wo ba omo be ye ho nhihye nso e de amount enti no from 0208 493-7340 so patona me fato emergency number side da wo phone so no fato so me sense subium 0208-493-7340 na mom bebia ato ayeden na onhu bebia onfa wotwa ho bia entwa chese oyeden a enye immigration sem no o de fresh emergency number why fresh emergency number ubenya lawyer abetwitwa agyew 077-127-61884 me size sibium 077-127-61884 fasa na we na fama obi se nya wompo na ohia obi behia medam ase na yekoye ni message uncle ben e de aba na me de me topic na ba asan betu dwa ye ka surrogacy a yenim se ye wo international de ye wo kroma nso de na ye beka ne nyina e de abom emra e fa ho bebia de be na obeye a e kire say you can succeed in this kind of can say programming then now say we intene me twen asatwen lawyer Bernard uncle Ben ye nyina ye papa e de aba no me baby sa ne nsemfo a ye ka sa surrogacy a ye mro na ya na din no kromo hu bo na international surrogacy and immigration ho nsem na be kan uncle Ben say obi ka say me pese me ye surrogacy e de nkra ne surrogacy no pacho cheche ye yiti o
Yo, enti se ye kase surrogacy. Surrogacy adia asia ne se obi akọ fem obi awode. Enti nhihye aba oba ne bema oma ye nhihye ene oba foforo aye nhihye se ombe fem na wode no na ode anyema ma omo na owo a na omwetimi afaba no ti wode ba English ma surrogacy na sia ne say a arrangement between a woman and another couple for the woman who is then termed as a surrogate mother to carry a 𝘠𝘧mate.
right
𝘠𝘧mate sperm ne kosia ana embryo na wa carry to term na oma ye nhihye because nhihye na oma ye no eno na ebema owu wie a akola no ebeba akodi commissioning couple no ho ti oba na ono afa yefun na owama couple no ana meka ye friend surrogate mother ana awofo na omo ne na sign krata no say owo a ode akola no be ma omo no ye from commissioning couple enti commissioning couple no eye be ma ne oba a sebio ebi binti omo ntimi nwo ebi oba no sebio ontimi mfa yefun ana se be ma no sebi ne hunsuo intimi emma kola enti there was several types of surrogacy. Full surrogacy no and it's oba bi owo ho ene awarefo bi na awarefo no be ma ne hunsuo ene oba efoforo ene ne yire ehunsuo ana omode abom na kosia no yeyi ato oba foforo yem na oba foforo no akare ne to time ene friend full surrogacy no enti maame na ono akola na da ne yem no one akola ne ni moja bia yeah the bad English ma onye biologically connected. Onye biologically connected, which means any DNA in the colony. But also, obetumi enya surrogacy instance both bɛrima no ne ɔbaa no ɔmo ho nsuo nka kusua na yɛde ato maame no yam no. Na emom ɛyɛ bɛrima foforɔ ne ɔbaa foforɔ ana yɛayɛ artificial insemination yɛde akɔhyɛ ɔbaa foforɔ yam na ɔbaa no awo na ɔwo a ɔde akwaraa no ama awofoɔ no. Deɛ yɛka nyinaa no ɛyɛ contract. Enti awarefoɔ no ane ɔbaa no a ɔno wayɛ sɛ incubator no a ɔbɛ incubate akwaraa no from time a yɛde ade no to ne yam no to time a ɔbɛwo no. Saa ɔbaa no most often than not no ɔne akwaraa no any biological connection. But in some instances no ɛyɛ ɔno ne kosua ana ɛyɛ bɛrima no ɛho nsuo ana yɛde yɛ na ayɛ nipa na yɛde ahyɛ ne mu. Nsusuaeɛ a wɔ ho no sɛ UK no sɛ wo na wo commission saa surrogacy na yɛwɔ ho nhyehyɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wodi so. Ana Ghana nso law na yɛfrɛ no Registration of Birth Law Act no yɛ 2020 Act no. Ɛno nso ma ho nhyehyɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wodi so. Enti ma memfi nka UK deɛ no.
Okay.
Sɛ wowɔ UK na we deal with this on a regular basis. Enti yɛboa nkurɔfoɔ ma ɔmo de ɔmo mma no ba. Yɛayɛ no over several years. Me no kakra bi wɔ hɔ a yɛyɛ. But the first thing I was saying is I was saying we identify nipa na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbaa na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔcarry nyinsɛn no ma wo. Na ɔbaa na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔcarry nyinsɛn no ma wo no, wo identify na mo sign agreement. Na mo sign agreement na mo sign no. Mo sign agreement ne sɛ ɔwo a ɔde akwaraa no ɛbɛma mo. Nti that is the first step. And sakra na mo tu ho ana mo akɔpɛ hospital a ɔmo bɛdi saa adwuma no na ɔmo ahwɛ ama mo. Mo sign saa agreement ni wie a UK law no kyerɛ sɛ wobɛtumi ahwɛ ɔbaa no ɔsɛbio obi anyem na wayɛ ɔbaa wohwɛ no. But na mmom sika na wɔde ma no no ɛnyɛ sɛ wo tɔ no anaasɛ wo ma na nya profit bi every saa nhyehyɛ ni. Ghana problem bi ni hɔ saa. Once a wo ne nipa na yɛ wɔ agreement no the new law no about 2020 no can say 12 weeks pɛpɛɛpɛ yɛde kusua no ya fertilizer no share ɔbaa ne yam no ɛwɔ sɛ wokɔ high court na wokɔgye pre-parental order na wogye pre-parental order na kyerɛ sɛ yɛwo akwaraa na wo din ɛbɛba birth certificate no so wo ɛne wo yere wo din ɛbɛba birth certificate no so ɛnyɛ maame na ɔwo akwaraa no. However, under English law no, both under British nationality law your friend of section 50 and under English law no maame a ɔwo akwaraa no so ɔyɛ biologically connected o so ɔnyɛ biologically connected o under English law no maame na yɛ maame. Under English law sɛ maame na wafɛfu no ama parents no sɛ ɔwɔ kun a na ne kun ma consent sɛ ɔnyɛ saa agreement no ne mo yɛ na ɔwo a akwaraa ne yɛ maame no ne papa nso ɛyɛ maame ne kun. Enti wɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ saa nneɛma no nyinaa ne yɛ very sure sɛ either sɛ wo yɛ saa de na ɛyɛ obi a ɔne kun anaasɛ wo kun a akun no ama consent anaa ɔma consent effects no ɛyɛ the same. The problem ne sɛ woni obi kɔyɛ saa arrangement no na ɔwo na ne kun no na yɛ akwaraa no papa in the sense sɛ under English law no sɛ waware a ɛyɛ ne kun a wowɔ other procedures a ɛwɔ sɛ go through. The first procedure ne sɛ obe apply for parental order ewo UK. To apply for parental order now within the set time ayede ama na a create opportunity Emma witimi at the akola no eba ha either as a British citizen and as under paragraph 297 under paragraph 30 no so obetimi the number. The requirements are very, very strict. And the first thing is my agreement. That is the first thing. The second thing is my agreement. We apply for pre-birth parental order in Ghana. Within 12 weeks, you insert embryo. So why you say Ghana or another opportunity, say even after the birth, obey post birth parental order to apply on the bema. So orders two orders no Ghana are very crucial because that is the only time we deem a birth certificate. So because it's crucial, so we deem a birth certificate. So because then the child say we are father and mother of the child. It is an adoption process. But where adoption, either say we DNA count and I say we DNA count, but the process is similar to adoption. Why I say, so we are British, we UK, Albania British automatically. So when you're British, now one definite stay, obey to me the Obanaba under paragraph 297 of the immigration rules. Within that broad outline, so any of the Yamana can apply, still bet me apply under discretionary routes. Are possible? The idea was what they treated true, so what far through the process, agreement with Sa Obana or your surrogate mother. So Ghana will apply for pre-parental order, and I'm going to be a post-parental order. So now we have a birth certificate. No way to media colana. And Timanyati, a very complex area of law, and you enter into easily. Rebabi ayabuano awaye. Ghana for no be difficult. Omaka China say the whole process. It eventually there was or converted the whole process into adoption. I don't see it possible. Say Obama we are no adoption. I don't see it totally possible. But the legal process, similar and yet the same.
Okay.
Whatever it is, say Sana Mona Wutua, what the lawyer and Kasa. Lawyer no obi a emra ehye no say wasem kɔ no hɔ a eni so ɔkɔ discuss wasem no nti men feel say wo de wasem no kɔ lawyer obi foforo bɛte wasem no enye no korɛ ɛyɛ ade a wo ne wo lawyer naka nti sɛ ɔka wasem a ɔka ade a bɛboa wo nti ɛyɛ better say wo ne lawyer no bɛtena ase na ma yɛ saa hyehyɛ nti manyati we ɛde a mepɛsɛ me de ba no.
Yo, Uncle Ben, me da se. Ube say what can straightforward in so no utimwa say and yet straightforward is sa ain't na Uncle Ben and sa adiesi so say ube ye bibi sa bo modern na onfa lawyers embrim na omuntumi emboa wo ho. Uncle Ben, what can no yati ase na me won some kakra mpese bisa found but before me bisa no ye hwe surrogacy process na sorry. Na yɛhwɛ IVF difference bi wɔ mu because me say IVF no sɛ nneɛnta me ebisa saa no ɛdɛn pɔten na ɛbɛma obi bɛka sɛ ɔkɔ akɔyɛ surrogacy na ɔhwehwɛ surrogate mother na ɔncarry ɔmo way ima ɔmo mehyɛ ase no mede ka nsɛm kakra but wo nkyerɛkyerɛ mu no wohwɛ a deɛ mpɔten na ɛbɛka because yɛwɔ IVF nso wɔ ha wobɛtumi aka sɛ nea mɛkɔ akɔyɛ IVF mpatwɔ nso so a difference bi wɔ hɔnom saa adeɛ mmienu yi.
Yeah, manyeti difference wɔ hɔ ne sɛ first of all no IVF edin no so ɛyɛ intro vitro treatment. What it means is usually with IVF no ɔbaa na ɛyɛ yere no obetimi afa yɛfun no akɔpem 10.
Right.
But with surrogacy no a yere no intimi nkura yefun no to term. It may be medical reason, and mostly it's medical reason. Because be or fire food na no wapon or far no wapon. Three ye cast wapon I send say when miscarry. Then you say I say. Usually, but with IVF, no, it's possible say or into me and conceive into here assistance. And I said, Bearman, said you need you know, a moon strong, sir, into me fertilize your barn egg, you know. Enti ye egg no now baby says na then I mean because ye young adwuma every time we work with hospitals in Ghana clinics where you're from clinics in Ghana enti ye oba no kosia na omo make chemicals be omo de treat your oba no na we produce egg no na omo yi egg no na omo fertilize egg no to omo fertilize egg na outside the womb now. No introduce egg into the womb.
Okay.
Now, surrogacy process and also tesa. But with the IVF no, because surrogacy in the mono, right? Mamena ukra your phone. Ayaneba until yes surrogate. Surrogate just say what confirm your phone. But with IVF, wow your phone just say ye akolano ye bo akolano outside the womb and ye the better womb. Those are the different.
Me that say yo Uncle Ben can this confirm ye funu no wo baby ne bro fa say wo kwa borrow ana wo high ye funu bi wo baby say sia me nkoso yi mame na edu term na owo ana o de ma de e de amame ena ekromo ha mra ye say UK mra no so atre yen say nipa kwa obe carry ye funu no wohwem a ono no ye maame enye wo a wodi nkosua ne kotu mu na wo ye maame enti no oho no na ye na Uncle Ben me pese me ye sa surrogacy ni bi makọ Ghana me ye Ghana ni makọ Ghana ena menya abayo afefefe me hwa a odina ne nan so enti no ye betumi amana ye yakoye na me kunu me de ye de akoma ye kọ hospital ya amane kama na ye san ye chi aba but ya dwemo entne ye say maami a ye gya ye nkosua de ahye ne yemu yi the kind of life living obedi na ye hu say akwala no ebe ye akwala ampa na say ye nyoma bi ntine mbia na ankoye yi a ye wo ho kwan ye wo kromu ha na ye gina ye nan so wo nkrata no ye wo ho kwan say ye tumi gina eno so eka say ene ye de ne ba UK ha na ye tumi ehu ne lifestyle na say ne ya hwe ni na pomudin ni ade ansa na owo a wa wo ne ya fa ya kwala ye tumi ye wo sa kwan no ana Uncle Ben.
Well, under your immigration rules, no, a kwan be anywhere I can say. Ubetime the surrogate mother about for the process obeso betna ha na owo na bibia pepepe and I obeso ba under your supervision kwan bi any hosa however say obeso we invite ni pano no ba na obewo obeso we here medical assistance ubetime apply for medical visitor na obeso be fertilization ni bibia wa ha let me apply for a medical visitor possible. Now once I'll be to me a private hospital bills, no. Now was car or the behavior no is animano. Ubit me purely under medical visitor. But say any other visitor, no. To say last week you types of visitors wouldn't mean yanisa. But say for a medical reason there, ubit me apply for medical visa now or the number.
Yo, Uncle Ben, me da say any sa explanation no. Now, okay, Ghana law ne kakra is a difference kakra wo mu any UK so there. Ghana ya kwaji pre-order obi phrases here yimbi a telephone lines na me pamocho. Ya kwaji pre-order pre-parental order ewo akola no ya ye wo Ghana. Na emom yes ye chi baye ena ye kind dates yenim say by then na akwale ya wo no enti ya ye nhihye bia aka en bia be ye month no ya san akọ ya kọhwe abayewa kama nyame adom wawo afi owo wie ya o se omfa akwala no ema yen anka ben ye ngina bia ne sen.
Well, and then tina de bia meka no your law reports no are replete with surrogacy problems. Enti an American, first of all, no, a arrangement, a contract, a agreement. To arrange it, that's the first step. One kasa otiasie. One manafa independent lawyer. To yes say no, normally se meme obi kasa mean review the contract a mana a surrogacy contractor. Say the other party in the lawyer, I don't do it.
Okay.
The other party also for independent lawyer. Parents, and our commissioning couple, so I was some for independent lawyer. No more sign agreement. Once a year agreement, even in Ghana, Death and Births Registration Act of 2020, and recognizing arrangement between an agreement between surrogate mother and a commissioning couple. Law not recognize it. Into once a year agreement now, why agree so or hand it over a colano. Wouldn't mean cast one hand over. So one hand over now call a court case into a court on the Begia colana free war. I'm a parents. But 1% as 7 court. The normal process, I think I can say this because Mimbo bearding. The first step, was she any panel or the naka. The second step, no. Now, Mumayan take away seriously. Mumayan yaba MOT. To say oyaka MOT into Obeko Hospital. Now test to find out any genetic disease at one of them. Now, you're very crucial. Before I'm sign agreement on the ground. Once I rule out Bibiano, get to know her and her family.
Okay.
Because your genetic diseases it could be anything. It could be Down syndrome. It could be, a lot of issues. And more rules are near man out. I was a me and son more counseling. Mommy and son, I was some more counseling. Counseling, what it does, is to prepare both parties psychologically and emotionally for the process. Marco first counseling, Miss Ramo, men kase, mon course of war. That's not what I'm saying. Miss Monko counseling. I'm sorry, but I have to say this because counselors, you train you omo school, omo certificate, obiako university. Ama ye training as a counselor. Omo ye certified as qualified people to give counseling. I have nothing against the church counseling on other things. But sadly, it has to be done by an expert.
Yes.
Yes, now this is why I say that for 9 months, there is a connection, an emotional connection.
It's true.
When we are beautiful child, lovely. What to say me, baby? I'm so excited about babies. Now, are you going to just because what's an agreement? Baby, I want to when you're doing. Do you know what is going to happen?
Yeah.
So I counseling and prepare emotionally and psychologically for such process. And it also prepares the commissioning couple. Say akola bi bamwa enya mo na monyem no. Baby cry money in genetics bia. Enti mo ye willing some of fan. Say chire munya akola no start nyi na mu hu se edem bi wo no ho ne ho atochim kakra. Mo betimi ekipa akola na. And counseling, it takes you step by step. A process. Now, once someone agree but go through counseling, they prepare more mentally, psychologically, emotionally. Now lawyers are them. Usually, I am active for commissioning couple. Then also a surrogate mother, or also a lawyer, usually a Ghana. To the lawyer, your draft agreement. I may insist on, and I tell my clients and I say, parent now more commission, more duty towards this woman. Financially, no more you're prepared. You can either do a lump sum for the upkeep, and now say regular periodical payments. It covers accommodation, it covers medicals, it covers subsistence, and then above all, it covers food and
Yeah.
other things. Nipa ya obewu akola yi ebia na complications abenti onko adwuma. Enti compensation around that time no allowed even under English law, but
Okay.
reward and any profit. The process now might identify no. So move family very very helpful. Ubia benya a peace of mind. You be
Yes.
akola on be proper transfer. Ama joyful mo de mo ba no beba ene mo abetena akopem time nyame beka se ono nso enyi na obetimi akopem ne bed.
Angeme Yedasi, Ade Yedasi Pana. Oh, explain me this question now. Explain. Will be trouble. Say, say Obekwa no. Ma many the akra na eduane ko baby. Ti we hunu say case closed. Ne ko report to my police. Obi de obe eduane. Yo, Angeme, etumi si sa ade. My question here, mystery.
Well, BBI possible. Nipa kra nkrofo wia omo. And that is why much process, get to know the person, get to know the family, go through counseling, and then employ lawyers. Once a while, I don't know, more relationship is very, very uncommon, say ABC. But yeah, a possibility.
Sir, yeah, that's it. Well, the question is by no, okay, bisa na. Your regular visit, why? In January 9 months, nina or no kwasa na fi ubeko no wedwane misro. Your regular visit, we to me cry, kwatana ne ho, na hwe ne yie. Na owo a wonsa ka wo ba yo anke ba ebekọ enim etiefo say na etie anke ba be cheche mu nyina me gidi say embia na wo nso question bi o tim a opese obisa na me ntumi mbisa a wo die die maybe telephone lines no e de atum na wo question bi a it could be say ene surrogacy ho nkomo a ye di no ehu bi na obebisa akwanya wo ho na emom se nye no mpo hu so na opese obisa eno so akwanya wo ho. We are open to all type of questions, especially say efa edwumedi a ye di we law, immigration, mitigations, honsam ne family law ne sa anoma nyome utumi ebisa na Uncle Ben be you are no kama nti and telephone lines I be di dwuma no 0208123116 mi science subium 0208123116 yes so another number say ofre we na ye engage no I try and also e dey ahwe 0739920848 yes so WhatsApp only Mr. Mo WhatsApp nko a person send WhatsApp na we dey aba sa number ne so ana so person ja voice note e wo WhatsApp ho no so a obetumi dey aba sa number ne so na yetumi abo ama ana ya kenka ma 07596620 ma no krensi obi afre nanso no nipa kompacho dina so question ba kwa e woda menim wa he mami essay mpacho obi wo so enti no okay mpacho hold on na mute we no mami why misro mute we no na men kasam anke be question na mami say owo krom ha owo akwala oba ha as a visitor oba krom as a visitor na oba no menim so de nyensen ne bwanka obewo wa ha nti menim so de nyensen ne free Ghana ba ya na say obenyem wa ha no so obewo wa ha kama na emoa na ensem bi siye omo oba bi e na asem bi siye na yebechi omo say we ntumi ancheche na asem ye because na oni nkrata oni asetena wa ha e na ye ne omo kofi na emom ye ne be kofi akwala ba bi ofie otem no one nipa ko no ehihye ho ma nipa ko no gi akla no se anya hwe obehwe akla no wahwe akla na I think 5th year nie akra no abaywa ho te se ne ba ne bibia na girl nso akodi Ghana sesi a osi ohwe kwan bɛn no betumi asan aba ne ba ne nkyɛn ebiom na deɛ na ɔsɛ ɔyɛ na ɔka sɛ na ɔwɔ akwalaa wɔ ha na ɔntumi mbɛsra akwalaa na anaasɛ ɔno ambɛgye ne ba because yɛkye no wankyerɛ me mu yie ne nti a yɛkye na yɛde pɔt no straight away a wanka sɛ ɔwɔ akwalaa wɔ ha anaasɛ biribi na ne question ɔde aba no anka bɛn mmoa bi wɔ hɔ a yɛtumi de ma abaayewa yi.
Well, first of all, no, say about UK now, person obesrana and I obetna ha. You want to share wo. So person obesrana, very important. Say we meet the visitors requirement, including say obeko. So why I want say person obetna ha? And also share wo.
Okay.
As a parent of a child, but there was only a colano direct contact. Direct contact in your telephone and our video calls. Direct contact in I say a colano, ebikra or bagana, ebe show. And I say, my arranging tibia every Christmas be out in Ghana. Until last time about December, January, now we have application because we direct access, will be to me use the application. But yes, both may are possible.
Okay. Yo, Uncle Mayor does say, say, we are friend na yen mu say akranim bagana da. Kwan ya obefa so na uma wadamfo no emma akranim besrasra na fe what to sa na mo no why Mr. Yo, odofo wa homa so patwe fra say na okasa friend.
The patwe family Rosalind this morning, Mr. Sophie London.
Oh, hello Rosalind. Yo, patwe ma kwaba.
Yo, yeah na.
Bisa question.
Good morning. I hope to be here.
Adomon kwa ya hoye.
Yeah, the surrogacy. And I'm person can be kakra.
Yo.
Register as a surrogate.
Okay.
It couldn't come through.
Pacho, hold on, mommy, 1 minute. Uncle Man, Pacho, tenenka.
Metenenka pa.
Yo, Auntie Rosie, Pacho Koso.
Yo, thank you. It's in register as a surrogate until the day of egg transfer. No, and we be fully apart because me fa min roni on the day you do who said me womb lining wasn't ready.
Okay.
For the transfer, and just to say a few things, a lot goes into it.
Okay.
It takes about a year for everything to conclude for egg transfer, And before you go into such thing, you need to think about it very, very well, and then know the ins and outs of it. And it's a UK had the baby. So we joining an agency in the UK. They do everything Uncle Ben I can Ghana didn't much idea about it. But Kromu had here. Yamao counselors, they work with you. They get you your lawyer, and then they get the intended parents and also lawyers. And then they do everything. We went as far as getting our wills done. Yes.
Okay.
Then in case of the journey, the BBC, the intended parents, what is rightfully belonging to them. Now, one for woman, what rightfully belongs to you. And there is no conflict of interest. But when you have the right mindset, now would be you can't say you go the wrong way, and then you are going to mess yourself up in big time.
Right.
And so let's have the right mindset, get the needed information we need to get before we take that step. And one person.
Yo, Auntie Rosina, experienced people, so more can not just nim near or more can. Yamin yo, or for back how man some patcho, also question in your hand. Oh, okay. Hold on 1 second. Me fanchi akese so madodo na aba Facebook ni YouTube ni so nyina mebobo mu din enche bia. Odofo o ahoma ne so pacho o kasa free me yente wonka. Oh, ni line na kati. Hey, debut. So free biom. Oh, yeah, trying to call no meeting chia. Ma Sandra Fraser. Sandra say good morning, beautiful man. I mean, sure why. First time so bad. So good morning, Uncle Ben, all BWF solicitors, any Magneti and everyone. First time I mean sure. Alex says so good morning, y'all. It's been a while, Manya and Uncle Ben. Alex, we enjoy that's it. They say I went to America. Yeah, that's it. Yo. But all the forward myself, I was an outcast free.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
If I talk, number some busan kibasem.
Koso.
My wife who German passport.
Okay.
But the ban be 17 next month.
Okay.
Also your person they are best school Ana also enkofo we say unti akwani na 8 year unti fa akwani best school.
Yes. Na mami nanka so wa he.
No hana or come back.
Or betna ha long time and so kwa na oba visit keke no koe.
Obetna kakra na okoye betoba.
Yo, Uncle Ben be you are no. Now baby akrobia wo bia no to me do Bible school or UK. It no yes now mo kika no said dear potting involve no mpeso mu hu dia.
Also onya 18 a ontimi falimba. Because I didn't so settlement to Queen.
Papa, yo, the Uncle Ben be you are no I. Muntie free experts no na yes no na a senior ma. Uncle Ben pato adaroma.
Yeah, first of all, Rosina, I mean, program way, I said that the BIA is to educate, is to share, and is to learn. Educate, share, and learn. Exactly what I've been saying, Rosina Diana Oyewo Kromoha. She even added, say, Omochro well count. All those, you can always change the will anytime. No? But it tells you the actual process, the emotional investment, and yes, so your case will be invested emotionally into something. The value is not the same. And will be a very, very emotive subject. And for us, because it brings joy to people, and also surrogate mother, and it brings joy to her. And to say obi sabi when you accident na ubabe wu na save organ near the save will be for. Now you're saving, like you're bringing joy to people, but you're investing emotionally into emotional support and counseling are very important. You know, my obisa question. I'm say you treaty subject way you treating over the last few years, you treat it almost every 3 or 4 months. First of all, so we EU near now Oba Chromo before 2020 December. It could be say Oba 1990, 91, Oba 2019, and I will free her. But some can say my man was settlement.
Exactly.
EU passport. Obia we EU ni eba baby no from the age of 0 to 19 kojo because under EU law say before 2020 you need restriction ne ba no ehun ya so be di 18 or the number obetimi the number sisia the enkrofo confuse no student, even students, and your child student. A collaborating upper school will have from the age of school going age, from primary, preparatory, whatever, up to university. But EU4 no, obet me a kofa banaba. I better so be background sana with the 18 because for student finance, because a colana muntina EU country no. 3 years no encounter until so be 3 years wa so no be obenya finance na wenya home students fee UK yes madon kofa nombra obetime de naba.
Okay, but I say what there
Matemi
yes Uncle Fanembra, why? No, yes, no. Okay, Uncle Ben, me voice notes kakra, but main kind what's platform ne so questions kakra. Na yemfa mixing enye kama. Yo, your question back wa mami ya ejiwa osi manye. My question is I am applying to bring my husband to the UK. I am doing the application myself because of high fee that I have to pay. I couldn't afford to let a lawyer apply for us. And you know, my question in here, what can we story come about? So what is the question? Are you asking the process I'll be first one na enti otemen kana o kanya obetumi de aba na statement, you know, I'm not seeing any question in it. It's like you telling me what you want to do. And you know, say open process na mema Uncle Ben the process na so the ato the amount. Odo for one homa so mpacho wo kasa frame ente wonka.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm Kasepsi London.
Yo, Papa.
Yeah. Uncle Ben, good morning.
Oh, good morning. I'll hear to say.
Yeah. Oh, Nyamiadum. What I'm question any say. We applied passport to my ba. Na me ba no ofie. Ana passport office no. O ma share be say me fa akra no school record. Any ID card bi, any have a emfanka ho, emfamra. Ana me birth certificate. Any maamene die. Na maamene yehu no, me dey na birth certificate no. Na me hu adkonti a, me tell you so be say saa man. Because already we have certificate no. So when you have a passport na malekeki.
Okay. Metiasia papa. Enti wono owo akola na we British.
Me wa akola me British.
Akola no wo kromo ana wo Ghana.
Oh, Ghana.
Wo akola na wo British. Now then I would so they apply for British passport amana.
I indefinite.
Oh, indefinite.
Yeah, more indefinite. Yeah, more indefinite. Yeah. I don't know me ano year, me ano be 2018.
Ana wo ba no da ban.
2018 na me aye.
Da ban na wo ba no.
Akla no wo ni da ban.
2005.
Ana wo apply for British passport amana.
Yes, and yes. I don't know apply man.
I hear him patch up men waste you sick no time. Why? On your British. So no wa time and now we are British. Fine. No wa Ghana time we are British. Fine. No wa time I wouldn't hear but see I be settle that. Let me register. But akola no British. You want me apply for passport. Why?
Angebe o can say o no wa ha no ne ko Ghana but time wo no now.
Okay, and what register as a British citizen?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, into me explain BB. Obi a fill from OSBR. From OS overseas passport application. So fill from OSR. Omo pese omo ye sure sa akola na ye oba. Omo ntimi nka nkyerɛ sɛ kɔyɛ DNA. Enti for us no that is the first process. I also we DNA. To your DNA, I bet you say we are no papa. That is number one. Number two, mo be bisa send ya akola ni free ha. Send a onyi nyina the pictures. Ska we send no.
Hold on, Papa, ye din netie akame chirechire mu. Why? Enti se wo so kasa ewe chira, wo be messy answer no dey man. O see first of all DNA, wo see why ye DNA no nti tie the next step no nto why?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Yo, angebe mpacho koso.
Enti the entio mo bisa birth certificates of parents no and a bit redundant and sometimes unnecessary. Omo rule out sa akola no ne papa no ye bia ye won wo UK. Although so waka from say wo Ghana no. Or maybe sa ni weighing card and an health records, ni school reports. Ska the command course our friend of pictures. Ma menenyem the pictures. Akola ni nyin the birthday ni ne mamutu ni din pictures ni sa ne mane nyina. So wo fill from OSR. Omo wo document list bi. E wo se wo hwe. the enti omu bisa no and say on person mo ye sure sa akwala na wodi ni free ha call ya no ayo no a because the fact say why DNA a kire say your ba no and kire say you're the same child and into no omu go through sa process no a processor you have to go through to say why DNA now the amount more near mama bisa that was all the come we are very very strict to one fan kwa reject application na omatom baby atla entifa bo ne me nyina no se ma me no hu na bo mu se hu ma me no why na you know cost of for documents
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah, that.
yeah.
Papa.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that. So I share
okay.
program ne there.
Oh yeah, my my son.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, bye
Okay,
bye.
that's it. Wow.
Me were couple of voice notes were ha mebobo eno nso na etie mo nsem na ansa na ebe kono mami ya ajewa me twen se obetimi the question na ba se eye fee waiver na ohwehwe o se eye den a ma yenhu se ana se kwan a opese ofa so na kofa ukunu because untumi afford the lawyer no nso obetimi ama yehu na yakoyenim. Kevin Asamoah also say, Uncle, you made me laughing this morning. Oh, wow. 19 could you? Kevin, I said no crack. You nkwala ne dear. With the 100 years, you can say, Oba, you can prove, say, Oba, and pa, now, na ocean a dear. And kind of why? Na wamu with the 100 now, with the Uncle, so girlfriend also say, I have. Oh, please. Yen free na membo yen voice note no na Uncle Ben Pacho yen tie we na yen hwe.
Hello, good morning, lawyer. Pacho, mpese me bisa asam kakra. But asam it's not concerning topic o treating there. My question is student visa for 2 years no. Say and NHS no so 2 years no say. Pacho, the question now that's it.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
well may name sana amoje for student visa I'm say pese yenyana me hwe so bi besa ne amame ana menim IHS no nso sana students ni tua but students there no omu fee ne IHS ni na very discounted they're very low to me sure say my office best send information amame
Mate, you Pacho yen tie we so.
Hello, Uncle Ben. Good morning, my tea. Good morning. Pacho, in this way, I'm a Madame Fubia Obai. Pacho, Uncle. Inti, a Madame Franca Oba has September Senka Oku school. Our uncle school, no. A person who said up to in the university, a dasu pen there bit me, associate Korean, and I didn't know it in their check it. And I can't benefit of a check him, said, Investor, no. Available and answer in a council and I said that when you be a check and I know Mrs. You can check it. Immigration status no will be binti if I am quite meeting I check it. Yo, that's it.
Yes, yeah, that's question we dey me tie ni ntima nka meka say frɛ me na me nkyerɛ kwan no why na enye din kra yes say wu ya na oda so wo visa na obetumi switch to skill worker route ne so na se opese o check say if the visa is still valid in so akonya wo on frɛ me metre no na yenko enim Uncle Ben question ba ko ba ha me bisa o say please can I divorce without dependent notice please the question no
I say can I divorce without dependent
without
notice
dependent notice. Just say MBA, meaning say you're student and now you're school worker near man with the dependent no abe kromwa. No person divorce na obetimi a divorce na brand dependent no. Only who share na if that's the way I can understand.
well not at all yeah court processes you know and here say both parties you know they are aware of the divorce and the court to the serve respondent you know or applicant you know we divorce application now ubitimi court no be serve no However, se court no enhu baby or wa na ubetimi ay application for either personal service and either personal service, either deemed service, and I say sometimes why effort na wunhu na exempt from service, but process may be protracted. Or say lawyer na yet sa processes no.
Edema. Based on that, now I've got other two questions, but maybe sad no okay, we explaining this here no. I have someone also similar or no or about student and ni dependent, but center one tower bomuntem and a brand one co school no and our person onya skill worker routine to be sasa or no kwa bet to me. I am skill worker route abra or ni dependent number depending on the visa ni view. Na se eba ni saa nso a na oya se automatic home office for beka say once ono renew and as we changing the visa no abayo no nso so automatic a ono nso ebe continue depending on him. Na me say well menje ni say tisa I think so also abayo no nso intangebe mpacho ho no betimi acheche mu kakra nsa na maka me next questions no.
Well, sir, Oba has a student now do dependent, but now we'll switch it to skilled migrant. I was so dependent and also switch it because we're free student and so and automatic also your application no tia no answer questions no provide the evidence answer now waiting me I switch it.
And one and you. I've got one here, two questions actually. Hi, I've received my decision on my final 2.5 years as a parent of a British child just yesterday. And to my surprise, the no recourse to public funds condition has been removed. No, I am in bracket, though I didn't apply for it to be removed. How long should I wait for the biometric card and my passport to arrive? Oh, now say they are my idea. I would say now we here.
Biometric card, usually about within 10 working days of the grant. To be so much for a letter name. So within 10 working days, a beba. And usually, beba address out the year application. Ama my address be email be I'll be to me a follow up now my so we application I will be our year family and private life application be on application direct on cassette may apply some remove or more questions be on bisa answer how the master questions and then on be decided say yin free ho and am yin free ho na mom ya no recourse no torso na eba na feel say ni say the torso and bibia asesent to person osesa and then our year application say mun yin free me so but time our year application your questions e bisa say baby out no your baby too who ska wo dididi wo baby wo yare bi wo yare bi wo ye adwuma wo nya sika obi hwe sa questions ni nyina mo dey determine say yemfa no recourse no torso and am yemfa torso.
I see. Okay. Yo, any empacho I will send a message, but more than okay, 10 days no, sabe can BRP no why. And now, yeah, next question. So say hi, I am asking this question, okay, on behalf of a friend. She's on the 10-year parent route and due for an indefinite leave to remain in June this year. Please list the documents she needs to provide for her application for ILRA. More per list, what type of English language exams must she do and what's the name of the application form is she completing? You English need o dear framing mention and din cra memma interview now to so no na otimedia yet nanke ben yet to me you bet me a list ya na you bet me a boss so kakra e de amano ni list
Also apply for settlement on what basis?
Indefinite me for question in Sambra indefinite leave a year June or apply for indefinite leave to remain. One can on parents' roots, on parents'
Okay.
10-year parents' route.
So we apply for indefinite leave. Now offer 10-year route nearby. Maintenance in your problem, accommodation in your problem, but English at B1 and life in UK a requirement. A biome, I was so such or banner that's what you and now access to which child. Into school letters, GP letters, you know, English B1. Now, next week, when is English not English? When is my English certificate not an English certificate? Because now, problem I want with time I will book for English. I was so more book no more who are there because I will IELTS UKVI almost reference number be was a basso ambasso. It doesn't matter so I pass it. I almost accept it. I am very, very crucial. And now we are life in UK. So we are not currently or reference number be and now the show application. So I are very crucial. And I think so we'll see a dedicated one of our programs to it. Very likely say be next week. What Obano birth certificate, or passport copy, Obano passport copy, or biometric card copy, reference, or passport copy. Now why what fail form? Form number fail no. Set F and T family. You know, now what fail it now what the so extension FLR FP. Now why sorry. Oko online now. Form no. They both form. If I said they were old style. Form ni now online. Until settlement application, family life. It be form now. Now I fail it. Form ni now no. Almost very basic information. Are you the same? Who create your account? Oko ender. About list documents. I was the account. Now the account no upload no akobosa.
Okay, main follow up my main 𝘰𝘂 question on the immediate can say or person no in the application money na oba na only lawyer fee or per process no what trouble manye please. My question is how do I go about the cover letter? Oh, okay. The cover letter. I would invite you no abeka who and so inviting just on a invitation. Anyway, let me refer to the question again. Mami 𝘰𝘂 ode no wahe. Okay, I'm applying to bring my husband to the UK. Inti sa na oka or apply na onfa ne kunu no embra UK na obisa say process no any cover letter no obey ne den pacho agben.
Well, I assume sir Nikun buy abetna inti or apply for spousal visa. The first questioner or be answer no eligibility requirements. The eligibility requirements moshia maware aware ne genuine. Emphasis here nkomo amudi. Mudi nkomo how frequently. When no that be the last time I will no. Mo ba muni ba maware da waware wajai or divorce certificate your reference. Now about finance, maintenance and accommodation. 6 months pay slips. And your last month before application. To your application, no, you will February. To your application in February. And your pay slips from January back. So we are no March. And your pay slips from February back. 6 months pay slips, 6 months bank statement, employer's letter, very helpful. And our last P60, very helpful. Because my historical record. Now, our tenancy agreement and our mortgage statement, and I say what you been chair, what many Panama letter, evidence of ownership of the property. So what you been chair, we need tenancy. But crucially, no, on be determined say our really genuine. So you tell a story. What tell a story? Maybe I'm share, then I'm start. Then I'm worry, and I'm worry war. Now my intention for the future because part of the question, no, on form, no. So do you have intention of living together as man and wife or as husband and wife? Until you address that. And then you can even say, you want to have a life together and everything. You know, you tell your own story, not in a legalistic way, very ordinary language, but professionally set out. I check out grammar, punctuation. Now, evidence, one list evidence in what list now the account now upload. That is how you do it. Straightforward.
Yo, angbe da se mami ajewa yaka ne nyina kyerɛw wo ho na mami nka ade ba konso emfa nka ho se wa wetumi atrobrofo fefefe ahyehyɛ documents ne nyina kama na wo de ba bɛyɛ no ɛhɔ no wobetumi de akɔmala minim sɛ wo se wo ni lawyer sikae no korɛ se lawyer na ɛyɛ the whole process na ama wa ɔbɛ charge no ayɛ ama ɛno ne ɔmo adwuma. However one kasa nso wɔbɛfa nimdeɛ yi wa ha na wayɛ w'adeɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ na mmom no ebia na w'adwen mu yɛ o 50-50 a lawyers yi we deɛ ɛyɛ peanut kra ɛyɛ peanut ɔmbɛhwɛ mu kama de ama no maka sɛ o mami agye wa wayɛ adeɛ aha nkɛka sei ana aha nka yi we free mu ana yɛ ni sei a na afei no wenya da confidence ne sɛ no kra me ana mayɛ ma adeɛ lawyer hwɛ mu nso aka sɛ eye edimu enti afi de metumi asene akọ saa sika ne de odi oni kra abra me ma why me de ma na odi akoma lawyers ne ya hwemu ama se ne be ya enko untia all the fees na de ba no na afi ebe kọ na anye yi eno nso enye kama enti ebe kọ yenim na Don Ike Boating answer na meka o question mpacho do for one ma so mama we gina so ache kafra o ka se free mpacho ma yente onka
Mpacho me kasa fili mayeti mpacho Michelle ankebe mpacho Michelle muri ya safi shapa
Joso
so question is madam Mako no or 2.5 years route so current route so na mpacho okwa adwuma no so ni sasa man na india ne say ne time na I do e bebe so na no what 10 years route na or so she call 5 years route
okay
na mpacho opese akoya application no na no will be say or yeah I saw a letter at to say again no 10 years route na wa sheshe ko 5 years route na mpacho ene na no person bisa na so chosa mpacho be kan say mpacho so akebe betu me tun ka
and then we have a veteran letter from me mama yo, the question must he explain where the status he was before the new one and I say and then Kwambe or so fast.
I helpful because home office omo nipa na ye adwuma wo ho. Example, nanse aye application ma obi. No 5 years. Sorry, no 10 years or switch it 5 years into year call for extension. Eba no more than that to 10 years or so. All those say the cover letter call nipa na nhwe. Ti ye raise a pre-action protocol and omo asesa added that 25 years back. And first of all, I don't know, but so we make casa very quick. And first of all, no, we have application now. Reference be or 3434 dash na numbers be so. Ube go to an letter no so. Udi udin date of birth or nationality, possibly a passport number, no address to the maybe a Secretary of State for the Home Department. Komo mo ye adwuma wo nyina mo ye adwuma ma no. Also be a dear sir or madam no actual re so we did an anamponsa kofi date of birth 23rd of January 1975 Ghanaian application reference number 3434 dash so this is an application for further leave to remain as a parent of a relevant and a qualified child. I'm making this application under the 5-year route. I was previously on the 10-year route, under the 10-year route, but I'm now requesting to switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route. As you can see, I meet the 5-year route requirement in the sense that I'm working and I have the relevant income insofar as I qualify to maintain my family in accordance with the immigration rules. I also have adequate accommodation for myself and my dependents, and I've attached a tenancy agreement, a mortgage statement, or a letter from my host who's hosting us free of charge. In addition, I have also attached the necessary English language test. It might be an A1 or A2 or B1. I always advise people to do a B1 because when you B1 now, when you be till say a British passport. Why we In relation to the eligibility requirement, I meet all the suitability requirement. I also meet the eligibility requirement. One, my child is a British citizen with passport number so and so. Two, I have direct access because my child lives with me or I see my child regularly. In addition, I'm the main carer of my child. I take him to school and collect him and also take him to his GP appointments. In the circumstances, please consider this application under the 5-year route. I look forward to hearing from you. Very simple, straightforward, but also professionally set out. Now the document be out there, no letter, no listing. Passport, biometric copy, sans passport copy, sans birth certificate, GP's letter, school letter, pay slips.
What they can mean to you? How can I but how much you share with the door? Now, new application. They are all in a new application like 10 years in the month you share with that. I share 5 years and 2 years and 1 month now. Or the next one. I don't know. Would you say or next one now? What about indefinite? No, be selected about your
the emphasis there, language, either A2 or B1. I will recommend B1. The man I'm making I do be year free. When say I am applying to switch to year free. Bibi I'm can be apply. Why?
Yo, that's it. Papa, that's it. Oh, sad day where the amount 10 minutes. I bet you make a why. Because such letters, no, na what's a broken all right, but the way you arrange it, I say tryouts English essay, no, and yan unim dada no, or more aware or say we share information, no, and no more bed G ejina so the amount. Ain't in yank bed that's that's in yamin shall. Na A1 ni B1 ni B2 no se uko yen ube register with us na utro Trinity College dear na na normally no se ba no life skills one na ebisao adeporting a wodi English no kwa akoye nti se woka se mbia 2.5 extension ana se partner route ana se no ankasa kra yi ade English no ne o se ode mount to bia Embia wo person ultra B1 no, but the fact say embia wo year 2.5 year no, emma wo kwan, emma wo onyi B1 e ma obeyi embia A2 no, e de ama because afe na waba wo year first renewal no. But akwanya nso wo ho, se wo person hu sa akwanya na wo be jump straight to B1 na, ho na ye Katie for ye nso ye be mu wo ho nte ya. Bomode abe hu Katie ed consult for ye be boa and it will be one and I wait to me there all your applications. And yamen shram. And go ben ye ko ye nim say aka few minutes mama ye nua ba lawyer trainee Deborah Edia ba no so abe mayem a bit of what you've said in the English version no Edia ma etie for mo hono ehiomo ye. Na answer no eba men kind Don I Boating Edia no see good morning please. On a 5-year route 5-year Thai tier 2 visa and have spent 1 year on which I would like to switch to other routes. Will my period for indefinite still contribute for the 4-year remaining? But on the question in here, I say menini so aye kususisi anti na me ho ne ye mesrɛ mo anka be mpa
mami question ebiem ada if a question no bra na me.
I say good morning please. I am on a 5-year tier 2 visa and have spent 1 year on which I would like to switch to other routes. Will my period for indefinite still contribute for the 4-year remaining? Into question 4 years remaining.
Okay. So skilled migrant route. Tetenoni a friend tier 2, yem friend tier 2 biom. Timunja tier 2 no friend. I a skilled migrant. Sane a friend. So was skilled migrant 5 years as a skilled migrant and ubenya indefinite. So we switch every skilled migrant that could be before for to say parent and our spouse. Parent and our spouse, no. And also may take you 5 years. 1 year no doesn't count because ultimately mix. However, 1 year no will count towards 10 years lawful residence. on any route or under any route.
Okay. Yeah, a shortcut, no. Yo, menka when so na fe de me invite yen sister na ombra. Cody Frimpong, I say, good morning, manya. Watching you from Swindon. Oh, thank you. Well done for the good way. Cody, nyame nhyira why. Kevin Asamoah uncle, you made okay, my kind know that na menhwe nana ɔbarima ɔbrempɔn ansa. Udin deɛ mebɔ a wobɛsi ahɔde wɔ mpa o. Good morning, Uncle and Manye, and all viewers. Please, a friend of mine is a dependent of Italian national. He is due to renew his dependent visa and want to know if he, as a dependent, needs to provide proof of address, and also he worked for full time with the NHS and earned 2,000 a month. Is he going to have issues as a dependent working full time? And is he supposed to provide financial support for his dependents? Uncle Ben, me did say question there what you say.
Question no, also started so or dependent. I feel also please, a friend of mine is a dependent of an Italian national. He's due to renew his dependent visa and want to know if he has a dependent need to provide proof of address and also work full time with the NHS and oh, okay. Well, me hu baby a kono. Well, sadi we ya bo bia kokoko. We dependent under EU law now. And one say EU ni no ohwe. Ehwe no ye se bi o ma baby tena o ma uskadidi. So we ya adwuma £2,000 a month. I also bet me I justify. Ya chere mo sa na mo bet me I work here around way. Mo ma yenye very careful. Sisi a we application home office bisa wo NI number. Okay? Omo ye adwuma ma nursing homes na omo certificate no omo ye adwuma no. Omo ko ye adwuma ma nkrofo from ye 20 hours no. Home officer started throw omo catch home say. Ye hu say wo ye more than 20 hours outside or sponsor no.
Yes.
Ye hu. Sa na wo ye dependent no wo ye application ebisa wo NI number no. Say omo person omo check here because omo checking it proactively. But with the sponsors they omo check it. You're very careful. So we are doing £2,000 a month. Master also we are dependent. I just say what exceptional need be I was here show more than 2,000. No. The law allows say obey duma kakra. No when you bibi kakra. Now o mami and now papa and now wo fa na o hwe no. Ono nso ahwe obey wo say ne hwe no e do so sen de wunya. Enti so o hwe £4,000 a month. Now we need 2,000. Then that's okay. Minimum nipa obey here £6,000 a month. Wabra we are dependent. You're very, very careful.
Hey,
my advice is also go lawyer. Now we need to come immediately.
Yeah, Uncle Ben, that's it. Nisaki, I say good morning. God bless you, Uncle Ben. Nisaki, me the one blessing me, you know, maybe. Ankra Julius 𝘂𝘶, please, I want to bring my partner to UK. Inti eden na yebe yama Ankra. O question no, you want to bring your partner yati asie, but there is no question. O catch yen keke. Inti fa question ebra why. Na maybe this time no ebema yenua ba na onfa the English version no emfa betu dwama na fe na yewu a yebisa just one question per na yedwumedie no abawi ye megye say weni aso please mon share program no na ewu hia program yi obi share my kotu and asa nipa kono aboa na ma de bia ofre me de onimi baabia o so nya na me de bia ofre mo program de aboa mi o mi program sa na ye hwehwe nti misra mo nhye emaye why payal shama o do na my maye na ye nya oden yo lawyer training Deborah, please can you give us the summary in the English version for us, please?
Thank you, community. So today we treated the topic of international surrogacy and immigration. So what is surrogacy? It is where a couple, for whatever reason, cannot give birth, and so they ask somebody else to carry the pregnancy up until the term. So the intended couple are known as the commissioning couple. So under UK law, you first have to identify the lady who will be carrying the child, and then you will sign an agreement and come into what is known as a contract. Usually it's advisable for each party to get their own independent lawyer who can go through the contract and make sure that everything is to the best standard. So under UK law, the mother who gives birth to the child is the mother, and if she has a husband, if he consents to the whole contracts going ahead, he will be the child's father. So in that situation, then the commissioning couple will have to apply for a parental order, in which case their name will be the name on the child's birth certificate. And once that is done, they can then apply to bring a child. If the surrogacy or the birth of the child happened overseas or abroad, they can apply to bring the child here as a British citizen under paragraphs 297 of the immigration rules. Under Ghana law, again, there will have to be an agreement with the surrogate mother. Once the embryo has reached 12 weeks, the commissioning couple will have to go to the High Court to get what is known as a pre-parental order. And in that case, their name will then be on the child's birth certificate. If you don't apply for the pre-parental order after the birth, you can also do what is known as a post-birth parental order. And this is the only time the commissioning couple's name will be on the child's birth certificate. So if you are British and you want your child, so if you're British, then your child will be British automatically, Otherwise, you can apply under section 3.1, which is discretionary for the Secretary of the Home Department to register the child as British. So that's a little summary I will give. Thank you.
Thank you, Leah Deborah. Yeah, obi mami asrese mi wa ye o de atwen owie na okokota na wama na be do asem okota ma obe unse ne obe jojo judges no Deborah, somebody is just complimenting you. Yo say obi gina homa ne so patroda so gina so ana ateko na yemfa just yen last question pe na fe na yema Uncle Ben ne obi be jaye ne no na ode jaye na yahwe ne be ye wechire na nsa na me ma ho kwan em se na manate ko me ma ho kwan no me san bo monkaye nyame ya adom a ye ka ne so china the community and the law no ebeba so na ye nua be mo reku frempon be ba be ginemu na edi mu chiame na ensem se ya no na ebise bisa no ye lawyer ba ko ebe wo ho na mo the question ama no be yi ma no na mesrem se mo ba so a wo ho de bia ya na ye ka share enye se share word na ye yende se ye mbobọ so but eboa otume share wo platform ne so a ekọ echire obi owo contact so nyina enya saa ade no ehwe enti na ya na eboa na obi ehu because it's a powerful education, trust me. Near Uncle Ben ebeka ye even letter your throw one from me moon your platform we have all these templates sample you can say letters see ewo honum but enye free o. You have to pay. Me ankasa crime will be. You have to pay before you access this kind of document. Just the template now obehwe so na wa obesi yakani entushem. Wa obetutu brofo na with the information na ahye ne ye dia ma onomo no. It's payable. You have to pay before you get access to this kind of document. This en baso na Uncle Ben obe kan fe trauma ye na wonkwan ofedia e ya na ma ye se we are selfish. Monhye na dodo na enya ho emfaso. Last week in so say the powerful letter ebetu dwa how I obey successful application and so cover letter kwan ya obetro na che se ko da ho office for any man as a koda immigration na case worker na or best stamp visa na amount and that anima or share left and right or share north and south or share baby na just say onya any fault bia because you've answered every A to Z question or say ojina so na on farmer visa no a free bonto and command be to ja. This is what we are giving to the community, giving back to the community, educating the community. Send on be ya, almost on be jina omonaso intimate share ni die because waka ne momundi hujuma emfamaye. Uncle Ben, bacho eden ne udibejaye ansa na edwane ako.
Manyeti, yenya any new way be a person share, but all I can say is BWF solicitors, so be before for bar, mama swate. But above all, no, yenye conscious of requirements, especially omoye dependent, so we ye juma, was send ye no, send nkopi o baby. Na emma oho encho sansona mo ye sponsor mo no and healthcare we na mo ye adwuma wa ha ye adwuma wa ha no law no say obetimi aye adwuma ama similar vocation for up to 20 hours a week. Anything above that no home office being and the last week yeah train we menya calls by 4 from Nkrofo home office actual so mo explaining the entire omo more than 20 hours. Call your application or the WNI number sheso. Nipa kon offer on my certificate na or the payroll number. To omo frɛ HM revenue omo run payroll checks na. Omo timunya very careful so na be ya affect him. Ti ene de me de be jam no.
Yo, Uncle Ben, so yeah, that's it. For a hundred you may be banamum, and your rumor, there's a article, Guardian newspaper anymore. So sponsor, obi say wakoye whistleblow, wako cancer beer. You who am a home office, so I start investigation be on the sponsors, and so I tell for natural for more share. Ye, because na se uye bibi e de aboa woni bia enya se mbia enidan ho se bibi nti na uye ba uye in the sense se uboa ne pako no enti se enti asia bi ankoba wo ba bia na mwenya abotre na sa adwumedie sa skill mi ba ya skill worker route ne health and care ne sisi akra teachers for ba be kan so bi ejina kwan bi so e de aboa na won sa aka na entiase bi nya adwuma wo ba bia mesram ani die mo mie no ntena se boko na monka wa asomdwe mu na se beba ne se nsem bi se beko na home office be set up a committee to start investigating sponsors and their activities and stuff like that obi be se ye nyina ebeboye mesremu ani die mu ye hwe ye hu yi we na me nso meka e de jawo Katie for ye twen will be one A2 kwan obefa so be interview na obe pass English no bra na be on Katie consult for e was 07596620154 ye beboa very soon teachers webinar nso baso the A to Z process a one kasa obey application no na wenya sponsor e de abetira de wo kromo ha no ye de nyina be ba betudwa e de amamo nyame nhira mo nyame nkan ye ho. Have a very peaceful weekend. Bye-bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF solicitors. BWF solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.